All right, welcome everybody. Today's video, we find ourselves over here at Bang Pa Inn. We're at Wat Chumphon Nikayaram, or however you say it. Anyway, it's a ancient monastery built in around 1630 or so. And it was built by the king. It was one of the Ayutthaya kings. The king was Samjet Parasanarana the first, who was born in 1556 or so. That's kind of how far back this goes. Anyway, the story of this temple goes something like this. When the king was going down on the royal barge on the Chao Praya, it got into a storm and sunk, but the king managed to swim to shore. And so anyway, he was cold, so he came upon a farmer out here that was warming himself next to a fire, and he invited the king in to warm up. And the king was pleased with that, and he also saw that there was a beautiful woman in the house. So anyway, the king stayed the night, and a little while later there was a son born from this woman, but that was not, it was kind of like an illegitimate child, so he didn't ever get the title of prince. But anyway, the king ordered this temple built onto this location, kind of because it was one of his favorite places to go. And I think they used to call this not Bang Pa Inn, but Bang Na Inn, which was like the place that pleases the heart, or something like that is what it means in Thai. So anyway, this is a second-class temple. It's not one of the first-class temples that I've been doing, but I've heard a lot of people talking about it, and it comes recommended from some of the Thais I know. They said go over here and check it out. Also, one of my viewers recommended me to go check it out. So let's take a look at this temple, and let me show you around and see what we see. So here is the first hall we're going to go take a look at, and it's in fantastic shape. It's been restored. These were all restored under Rama 4, and they were restored again under the reign of Rama 5. So most of what you see is in really, really good shape. Second class temple means it's still a higher standing. It's not like the first class, like some of the ones that I've been making videos of. And this is the hall that I was wanting to see, because it has all of the murals painted on the wall. So here is the main Buddha, and you can see all the murals that are painted behind it. They painted these all of the columns also, and it's starting to show a little bit of signs of wear, especially over here on this wall. This is really faded. So there's not a whole lot left here, but let's take a look at some of the detail work, so we can see some of the scenes they have painted. And then up above would be the scenes of the Buddha, but they're almost completely gone. There's just a little tiny bit left. And this wall here, they're in pretty good shape still on this wall. All the detail work in the trees, the buildings. You have like temples and stuff. Oh yeah, this is really nice. And you can see down here where there is some like an inscription in the wall. I'm sure it talks about the story, but it's all in Thai, so I can't read any of that. Yeah, this is really, really nice. And you can see the murals are completely faded. I have the friendliest little kitty here. I know a kitty. Ever since I first parked, she's been following me around. Okay, so let's keep looking around. So the Sema stones that you see right here, they're quite a bit different. Normally you see them, they're like flat, kind of shaped like a, I don't know, kind of like a flower maybe, I guess. They call them like the Bua Sema. And anyway, these are quite a bit different looking. These are what surrounds this ordination hall. and there's going to be 8 of them outside, and then there will be 1 on the inside that's buried underneath the main Buddha. And you can see kind of the condition of this ordination hall. It's really nice. And then they have a nice little chetty. Looks like it has some stairs to where you can go up there and walk around it. And then there's a little tiny Wihan in the back, but it looks like it's locked. Maybe I can get in there. It might be just closed. Yep, just what I was afraid of. This one is locked up. You can see the Naga and everything on the eaves up there. And then that second little chetty that's on the back side. And this is pretty cool. They have the little figure with the sword, the elephant tusks, and all the detail work that's up above the doors with that like little bird and the prong. That little bird is what, the haru or something like that, haruka? I can't remember exactly. And then here's the back ones of these little sema stones. And then some more of the temple buildings over there. So what they've done is all the people that have made donations and important people in the community that have helped the temple, they have all these little urns here. So I'm sure their ashes have been put in them, and they all of them are shaped like the little sema stones that are around that ordination hall, which is kind of interesting. And then they have some little buildings that kind of look like a lighthouse. You can see this here. And they have the little slots in there with some of the little artifacts inside. Let's go up these stairs and let's go and check out this this chetty. Looks like they have a place here for a data plate. Has the bell-shaped top. And has like a little walkway around the top. You can see this little building nice. Yeah, this is in really excellent shape here. So people buy these little ceiling tiles that you see up here, roof tiles. They'll put their name on the inside, and that's part of their donations to the temple. You can see the top of that other chetty. And they do the same here. Now I'm not sure if you see that green, like right here. That might be one of the royal like seals that they put on the front of this, because this was restored by Rama 4 and Rama 5. It could be that one over there, I'm not sure. Somebody told me that the Rama seal will be on some of these buildings here. And you can see the detail work at the top of that building. Yeah, that's beautiful. Here's the bell tower. And then some more of the temple buildings. Looks like on the other side over there is like the crematorium. They have some monk quarters that are behind. Over here's a building for some of the ceremonies. We'll go check that out here in a minute. Looks like the place for the head monk to do some preaching in there. In here they have a shrine and some other stuff, but the gate is locked up, so I can't get in there. There's some monks that are doing some stuff. And some more of the temple compound. Yeah, there's quite a bit of stuff here. Everything is just in really nice shape, so can't complain about this one at all. Okay, so I see what it is. They're doing a funeral, so I won't go in there and disturb them. All right, so that finishes up our little tour here at this this temple. It's kind of small. It's pretty nice though. It's really well maintained, and the murals in that little hall are, you know, the reason to come here and check it out. It's the story behind the temple is pretty interesting, but mainly just to see the architecture of that ordination hall with the those old ancient murals that are painted on the inside. So anyway guys, if you liked the video, make sure you click like and share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. The subscriptions are what I need, and the likes and comments, all that do me a lot of good also. It helps with the logarithm of YouTube, so all the likes help get my videos promoted, and it helps more people see what my content is. So leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think. Tell me also if you want me to go do something different. Say go check out this or go check out that, and I'll do my best, and I'll make a video of it if I can. So as always, guys, remember, life is a journey. Until next time, enjoy.